Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a basic 3D model of steel bottle in Autodesk Inventor software. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now select the 2D sketch and click on XY plane. Now go to Line command. From this center point, make a vertical line of dimension 205 mm. Okay. Now drag this line horizontally 12.5 mm and escape. Now we will construct the bottle profile. Go to line, make a rough thread sketch like here, one, this second and third. Okay, escape. Now go to vertical constraint. Vertical constraint. This point and this point vertical constraint to each other. Similarly, this point and this point vertically constrained. Now this point and this point vertically constrained to each other. Go to dimension. First we will give height. The height here will be of 4 mm. Okay, escape, zoom out, delete this. First we will get the total height of till here of 13 mm. Okay, first give the largest height, then we will give from here 9 mm and the last dimension here will be of 4 mm. Okay, now you can see there was no distortion in the profile. So these are the final dimensions. Now we will make the bottom profile. Go to line, make a taper line over here. Okay, and one profile here and a vertical profile till end and join here. Okay, now go to dimensions. From this point to the center point, this will be of 25 mm and this dimension from center point will be at 35 mm. Okay, now you can see this portion is defined, only this profile is remaining. So give the vertical dimension as 60 and from here the angle will be of 15 degree. Okay, now you can see this is the final profile. You can see the dimensions also. Okay, now finish sketch. Now you can see this is a close sketch. You can use the revolve command. Go to revolve. The profile is selected. Now it will ask you the axis of rotation and select this as axis of rotation and this will be full and okay. Now you can see the base of bottle. Now we will give the fillets. So go to fillet, take a radius of 10 mm, go to edge selection and select the bottom edge and apply. Now here take a fillet of 35, select this and this profile, apply. Okay, now cancel this. Now to make the bottle hollow, go to shell command. We'll take a shell of 2 mm and select this top face and okay. Okay, now rotate the view. You can see the hollow profile inside. Now select this top edge and go to fillet. Here take a fillet of radius 1 mm. Select here, here and here. Okay, and apply. Okay, now you can see the radius. Go to home. Now we will define the material or the color, you can say. We will give it a chrome polished. See, it looks like a metal bottle, a steel bottle. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a basic model of steel bottle in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.